Hi, my name is Ashanti Long. I am the Director of Enterprise Accounts at Avocor. I'm here in New Jersey at E4. Today we are showing off our L series. It is our AVL-1050T. We also have a D version, which is non-interactive, but this one here is the interactive version. It is actually used for several things, but mostly Microsoft Front Row. You can use it for other applications if you're just doing regular annotation. So like if on here you want to annotate, you can do that as well. You have various applications that you can run. It comes where you can actually put in OPS, which is an onboard computer as well, so you can run it that way. Several things that you can do with this. Again, it's 105-inch, 21:9 aspect ratio, has great background as a part of it. Native 5K. Come by and stop and see us here at E4. Our website is avocor.com. Love to see you guys come by. Thank you.